Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in the last class we have discussed about these options. So let's move to this one. So now as you can see, here's the option for the sketch motion. If you want to use these options, you can also do that. So I'm going to remove this pixelate option. So as you can see, here's the option. If you want to use this one, you can also do that. For example, I'm going to drag this here. And after dragging this here, I'm going to decrease this and put it here. So as you can see, now we have to play this and now it will be played like this. So as you can see, you will get the options related to this here. So as you can see, you will get the options related to this here. For example, if you want to drag this here, I'm going to drag this here. If you want to increase the thickness, so you can also do that. For example, I'm going to increase this. So in this way, as you can see, it's increased. Now here's the draw time. If you want that it should be drawn fastly, or if you want it should be drawn slowly, it's up to you. You have to control this. So as you can see, I'm going to drag this here. Let's drag this here and now play this. So play this. So as you can see, this is the faster, and if you want to make it slower, you can also do that. So I'm going to make it slow. So let's start. So as you can see, it's faster. So we have to increase the like this way intensity, increase this, and now we have to play this and play it. So as you can see, now it's very slower. Now if you want to make it faster, you can also do that. Let's come to here and click on this, and the properties are open. Now we have to reduce the disk. Now we have to reduce the frame rate, and now let's play this. So as you can see, it's in faster. So in this way, you can do that. You can use these all options also in this way, in the same way. And now I'm going to delete this one. And the next option is shortcut key. If you are making a video on any kind of tech video and you want to show the shortcut keys, you can also do that. I'm going to press the Ctrl Z, and now simply you have to drag this anywhere where you want the shortcut key should be shown. You can do that. So here you just have to press the shortcut key Ctrl S. The Ctrl S will be great. Ctrl A, Ctrl B, or whatever you want. You just have to press those shortcut keys and they will automatically shown here. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can use this whole annotation options and these both options as well. So see you guys in the next video.